In this video, we are going to give you 5 proven tips to boost your Shopify store's conversion rate. If implemented correctly, you can easily double, triple, or even quadruple your store sales in no time. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The first step is to optimize your product pages for higher conversion. There is a difference between a simple product page and a fully optimized product page. Successful e-commerce owners use psychological triggers that not only builds trust with the viewers, but also persuade them to buy their products. And after analyzing countless number of e-commerce stores, I've found the 3 key elements that you can add into your store to boost conversion. First, make bundles of similar products and add them into your product page. You see, every big brand is using this on their e-commerce store, which basically increases the average order value of your customer. Customers will get discounts on bulk orders, and you'll get more sales. It's a win-win for both parties. For example, if your store sells fashion items, create bundles like complete outfit sets, combining a top, bottom, and accessory for a special price. If you sell smartphones, offer bundles that include accessories like phone cases, screen protectors, and charging cables at a discounted rate. The next key element is to use upsells and cross-sell offers. When your customer is about to check out, offer them something extra, a little upgrade that complements their purchase. It could be a fancier version of the product, an add-on, or a special deal. It's all about maximizing the value of their purchase. For example, if you are selling hybrid mattresses, you can upsell an advanced cooling option, a bed frame, or an extra 10-year protection plan option. For a fitness store, if someone is buying workout gear, suggest adding a water bottle or resistance bands. You can also introduce a premium membership program with exclusive benefits. Offer upsells like faster shipping, early access to sales, and members-only discounts. Upsells are powerful, and it can instantly boost the conversion rate and average order value per customer. Lastly, you want to add some social proof into your product pages. Social proof is super important for building trust and credibility with potential customers. You can incorporate customer reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content throughout your Shopify store to demonstrate the value and quality of your products. Make sure to highlight positive feedback, ratings, and endorsements to reassure visitors that they're making the right decision. You can also consider displaying trust badges, certifications, and awards to further instill confidence in your brand. Additionally, you need to ensure that each product page includes high-quality images, compelling product descriptions, clear pricing information, and prominent calls to action. Use persuasive language and highlight key features and benefits to convince visitors to make a purchase. With that note, let's move on to the second step to optimize your store, which is to simplify the checkout process. A complicated checkout process can lead to abandoned carts and lost sales. So it's important to streamline your checkout process to make it as quick and easy as possible for customers to complete their purchase. You can offer guest checkout options, minimize the number of form fields, and provide multiple payment options to accommodate different preferences. Additionally, consider implementing a progress indicator to keep customers informed of their checkout status and reduce friction. The third step to optimize your conversion is to offer incentive and promotions. Everyone loves a good deal. Encourage visitors to make a purchase by offering incentives and promotions such as discounts, free shipping, or limited time offers. Use strategically placed banners, pop-ups, and promo codes to grab attention and create a sense of urgency. Consider implementing exit intent pop-ups to capture abandoning visitors and offer them a special incentive to complete their purchase. By providing value and saving customers money, you'll increase conversions and drive more sales. All right, now let's talk about the fourth step to optimize your conversion rate, which is to introduce a loyalty program to your customers. Loyalty programs allow you to retain customers and reward them when they refer their friends. Customers get a referral link that they can share with friends to promote the brand. Customers acquired through loyalty programs have a 37% higher retention rate and a 16% higher lifetime value. It's a win-win for everyone. You get more customers, and your customers get rewarded for spreading the word. Loyalty programs work for all industries, such as fashion, nutrition, electronics, home, pet, and more. You'll see that most of the big brands have their own loyalty program, where the customers can refer the product to their friends and family and get loyalty points and rewards. You can use software like Referral Candy or stamped.io to create your own affiliate program. Last but not least, you need to optimize your store speed to boost your conversion. You see, a 1-second delay in website load time can lead to a 7% decrease in conversions. A slow-loading website can frustrate visitors and drive them away from your store. So, it's important to optimize your Shopify store for speed and performance to provide a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. And, in order to minimize page load times, you need to optimize your store images and videos and leverage browser caching and compression techniques to improve your overall site speed. This is the most important step to boost your store conversion. And that's why we have created a step-by-step guide on how you can improve your Shopify store speed. And once you implement my 4-step process, your store performance will go from this to this in no time. You can click on the video that's showing on your screen to watch the full video. Thanks for staying till the end, and we will see you in the next video.